Today, I've got two special passengers aboard who are about to begin their new and improved lives. All right, everyone's in their crate and ready to go. You guys ready to go? Charlie? Fergie? They don't really care. Kind of smells like pee a little bit.
Flight Interrogation Bravo 1555 Zulu. Wind calm, visibility 3 min, ceiling 1,400 broken.
Alright guys, how's it going? This is a unique flight. I've got Charlie and Fergie back there from a pet rescue organization called Pilots and Paws, which where pilots volunteer to fly pets across the country to different places. And in this case, I'm taking them to Flagstaff, Arizona this morning.
Every flight is a learning experience, and this one was certainly no exception. Besides doing my first pet transport mission, weather was a consideration on this one at both departure and arrival locations. Although I had filed an IFR flight plan, the weather appeared to be improving enough to depart VFR. This was a decision I would shortly regret.
Alright guys, you ready?
Aviation is full of decision making. On this flight, I decided to depart VFR for several reasons. One, I was trying to get into Flagstaff before thunderstorms were predicted to arrive, and loading the dogs up took longer than expected. Two, departing IFR from Whiteman often means long delays due to arriving IFR traffic from nearby Burbank and Van Nuys airports. It took me over 40 minutes to get my IFR release when I departed the week before. And three, the weather was improving, so my plan was to get up there and see if I could get out VFR. Besides, I could always come back to Whiteman and open my flight plan if necessary. The LA Basin is surrounded by some pretty big rocks, and I was hoping the clouds would be improving through the mountain pass I needed to fly through. Even though I could see the blue sky above, it was becoming apparent I couldn't legally get through. The clouds and visibility were quickly getting lower.
Alright, turn it back around.
So I made a 180 to try and avoid flying into a cloud. The clouds were too low to open my flight plan from the air, so I returned back to Whiteman and did it on the ground. Something in retrospect I should have done from the very beginning.
Grumman 244 Echo Romeo, have a advice, ready, copy?
After all of this, it only took me 5 minutes to get my IFR released this time.
Grumman 244 Echo Romeo, 1930, wind calm, clear for takeoff.
SoCal, Grumman 244 Echo Romeo just departed Whiteman, IFR.
Grumman 244 Echo Romeo, SoCal approach, ident, Burbank, altimeter 29906.
Ident 2996.
Echo Romeo, radar contact west of Whiteman Airport 1700. Climb via the Whiteman IFR departure procedure except maintain 9,000.
Climb via departure procedure except climb 9,000 for now. That's what we had to climb through.
Number 4 Echo Romeo, proceed direct Palmdale, resume navigation.
Direct Palmdale, within 1 nav, 4 command. Alright guys, so we're cruising along, leveled off at 7,500, canceled my IFR a ways back. Just wanted to get a little lower to see if the winds were better right now. Getting a headwind of about 12 to 15 knots.
Good morning.
So my passengers seem to be doing pretty good. They've just been pretty much sleeping the whole time, or at least closing their eyes and trying to figure out what the hell's going on. We got Fergie right here, kind of chilling out, and that's Charlie right there with the cone of shame. It was a tight fit getting the crate into the back of the plane. It took me longer than I thought. That's why I got delayed, or one of the reasons I got delayed, I should say. I had to actually take the crate apart and put it in the back and then put it back together and then carry Charlie up the wing and put him in there. He wasn't liking me too much at that point. He kind of growled a little bit, but I don't blame him. Total random guy. putting them in a cage and a strange contraption. Alright guys, we're getting pretty close to Flagstaff. There are some thunderstorms in the area. They just updated me saying that as of now he thinks I can get in VFR. We'll get closer, see what happens. If not, we will divert. This will be the highest altitude airport I've landed at, I think. It's 7,015 feet. Right now the density altitude there is about 8,300.
Flagstaff Tower, Grumman 244, Echo Romeo, 20 miles to the southwest with Foxtrot. Grumman 244, Echo Romeo, Flagstaff Tower, report 5 miles out for runway 3. 5 miles out, runway 3 for Echo Romeo. And Flagstaff Tower, how's the rain looking over there at the airport? Grumman 4 Echo Romeo, most of the rain shower activity is on the north side of the airport and off the departure end. Thank you.
Alright guys, you ready? We're almost there.
Grumman 4 Echo Romeo, runway 3, cleared to land, wind 330 at 6. Grumman 4 Echo Romeo, turn left at Alpha, monitor ground point 9er, taxi departure.
Hey, how's it going? Good, how are you?
It was now time to deliver these dogs to their new foster parents and the beginning of their new lives.
I don't know the whole story.
Charlie seemed to be pretty happy about it.
Survived. Fergie, it was nice flying with you. Bye, Charlie. You were a great passenger. Bye, Charlie. Bye. All right, so I don't know. I feel good about that.
After that, I spent the rest of the day with my family at my brother's cabin just down the road.
Guys, so we're about to head off back to Los Angeles. There are a couple of thunderstorm buildups just south of here, kind of in the general direction we're going, but not very many, so it should be easy to avoid. Okay, so as we depart Flagstaff, the elevation here is 7,015 feet and the density altitude 8,600 feet. So we definitely want to lean for best power, because we're going to need all we can get. The runway here is 8,000 feet long, so plenty of length, but we still want to make sure we have all the power to climb out of here.
Flagstaff Tower, Grumman 244, Echo Romeo, holding short, runway 3 will be departing to due southwest.
Grumman 244, Echo Romeo, Flagstaff Tower, runway 3, clear for takeoff, left or right turn out, approved.
And she's slowly moving.
You'll never guess the places that I've been. You never guess the places that I've been. 'Cause everything is like a dream, yeah, but only in that dream that I live in.
So we're going to head down this direction a little bit. Sedona's kind of straight ahead, then we'll hang a right, head over towards Prescott. I'm just kind of looking over here at the weather. I see a little bit of rain coming down here, but nothing big. This plane right here, November 244 Echo Romeo, actually began its life in 1992 at Embry-Riddle Aviation in Prescott, Arizona, which is right up here. So it's kind of cool flying right by where she started her life. guys, so we're about 15 minutes away from landing. We're over Palmdale right now. It's been a pretty consistently bumpy flight. Light to moderate continuous turbulence.
SoCal, Grumman 244, Echo Romeo 8500, we're going to begin our VFR descent.
Grumman 244 Echo Romeo for Southwest Roger, Irving altimeter 29991, information Juliet at Whiteman, VFR descent approved.
9901, and I'll let you know when I have the weather at Whiteman. Whiteman Tower, Grumman 244 Echo Romeo, Newhall Pass with Juliet.
Grumman 244 Echo Romeo, Whiteman Tower, straight runway 12.3 miles.
And Whiteman Tower, 4 Echo Romeo, 3 mile final, 12.
4 Echo Romeo, runway 12, clear to land.
Clear to land 124 Echo Romeo.
Guys, thanks again for watching my video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and I'll make some more videos for you. And also don't forget to hit that like button. I'll see you on the next one.